Okay guys, it's here. My Kim Kardashian Beauty fragrance. So I'm gonna open this box. Okay, cute. Okay, I love this packaging. It's white. I'll take the plastic off. And it says KKW fragrance, where it's kind of shiny. I think you can kind of see. So pretty. Gorgeous. Okay. And it's kind of a matte, kind of, I don't know, interesting finish. This is the Crystal Gardenia. I got this fragrance just because it seemed like it was her favorite. And I figure whenever somebody puts their name on something and they're that passionate, it must smell good. So it opens like this. And there it is. So cute. Okay. So we have this little envelope. I'm going to open this up. It's taped shut. Adorable. Oh my gosh. Comes with little crystals. So you can see here. Super pretty. I'll get 3 of them. And it says clear quartz awakens an amplifier of energy, brings balance and alignment to all areas of mind and body. Awesome. That'll be really pretty to decorate. I will snap a picture of what I do with that. And then for the fragrance, it's in there pretty good. Oh. It has a little pull, guys. When you get this, look for that. It makes it a lot easier. Just pull it out. Yay, here it is. I love the packaging. So pretty. Adorable. And it feels really expensive and smooth and pretty. How do I open this? I don't know how to open it. How does this open? All right, guys. This is really hard to open. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. There we go. See? You can see the top. It's about as big as my hand. Okay, now let's smell it. It smells good. I like more of a musk. This is very, very pure. It smells like a pure flower. It smells beautiful. It smells very natural. It literally smells like somebody crushed up gardenias and put them in this bottle. So my personal preference would be, you know, something a little bit more musky, like perfumey. But honestly, this is really growing on me. The more I smell it, it smells really, really good. Very flowery, very clean. This would be a wonderful scent to wear during the day, every day to work. It's not going to be too overpowering. I got the 30 ml size. Comes in a size larger as well, but I wasn't sure, obviously, if I would like it. So I got the smaller size, and I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm definitely going to use this one, and I think I'm going to buy the other scents as well just to see what they smell like. But this overall, I would say For what it is, taking my personal preference out, I would say this is a 10 out of a 10 because this smells incredible. The packaging is great. The delivery could have been quicker. I ordered it like over a week ago and it took a while to get here, but I'm guessing because, you know, it's in pretty high demand. This just launched. But I would definitely go and buy this product if you want something that smells really clean, really crisp, and just like flowers. It just, that's the best description I can give. It smells just like somebody crushed up a bunch of gardenias and put it right in this bottle. It smells amazing. So there is my review for the KKW fragrance in Crystal Gardenia. Signing off.